In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make any non-smart TV into a smart TV with internet and apps. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to need to do instead of buying a brand new smart TV is get yourself an Amazon Fire TV stick. Inside the box, you're going to get a Fire TV stick, an HDMI extender cable, a power cable, and a power adapter, as well as a remote with batteries. And this is going to be so much cheaper than replacing your whole TV, with it costing about $24 to get 4K capabilities. And that's in USD. But essentially, you just take the Fire Stick and plug it into an HDMI port on your TV, and then you connect the power cable to the stick and plug it into the wall using the power adapter in the box. And then from here, you just use your TV remote to switch to the HDMI input that you plugged it into. And as soon as you switch those inputs, you'll see the Fire TV setup screen and essentially just set up your TV, and you'll be able to download apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and so much more. You could browse the App Store, you could search for apps or categories like anime, sports, movies, games. Just go over to the search section all the way on this left, and you'll be good to go. Now, if your TV is older and it still works fine, this is going to be way cheaper than buying a brand new smart TV. You're basically just adding a full smart interface just by plugging in one little small device. And also, the Fire TV sticks usually do go on sale during major events like holiday deals, so it's worth keeping an eye out for discounts. I personally got mine from Target for $24 just a few days ago. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.